My name is Michael Castaneda from Plastic Audio, and I am here today at Echo Factory in Pasadena, California. Thank you to Mike Schaefer and his staff for letting us use his space. I am here for the much anticipated unboxing of the Zoom H3VR Ambisonic Microphone. I've watched a ton of unboxing videos and I hate when they do a lot of talking beforehand. I just want to see the unboxing, so let's go ahead and get right to it. I ordered this from B&H on the 15th. It was shipped Friday, November 2nd. Got to me on the 6th at 2 p.m. and I could not be any happier. I also purchased the WSU1 windscreen, which came, that's 25 bucks. This retails for $349.99, by the way. And I also purchased the BT1. So here's how it looks coming out. Documentation in the back. I also purchased the BT1 or BTA1 Bluetooth adapter, but that was on back order, so that'll arrive. Give you 2 AA batteries. Ooh, I didn't know this was in there. Give you a mounting bracket. This I didn't know was coming as well. Windscreen. Excited about that, but here it is. It's a lot smaller and a lot lighter than I thought. Wow, it's very small. A little bit of specs on it. 4 capsule ambisonic microphone. Onboard Ambisonic's A/B conversion. That's the big thing with this, is it does the conversion in the unit itself. It also records stereo, it records binaural, up to 24-bit, 96 kilohertz, and you can monitor it. So I'm going to be doing recordings at the Memorial Park station getting the Metro Gold Line. I'm also going to be doing recordings on, or a recording on Raymond Avenue in Colorado. And I'll post those at the end of this. I'm going to do the binaural recordings so you can hear how that is. So you'll have to use headphones to listen to that. Let me open up the bottom and you can see where the batteries go as well as the SD memory card. It records to an SD memory card. So let me put these batteries in and I will fire it up. Batteries are in. I see the red light on. Now loading. Let's see how this looks with the wind. So again, the universal windscreen, WSU1. So there we go. Me and Esteban will be doing the recordings after this. We're going to post this video today. Please leave any comments, questions. Thank you.
also like, do you have like a maybe turn around and get the good? Yeah.
This train's final destination is Atlantic Station.
If I go up there.